Music. Welcome to a review of Erade Core Portfolios. Find helpful links in the description below. Erade Core Portfolios is a robo-advisor perfect for hands-off investing. Get professional management backed by a leading brokerage platform. It's designed for automated portfolio management with cost efficiency, personalization, and cutting-edge technology. Whether a beginner or busy professional, simplify investing without compromising quality. Start with a quick questionnaire assessing your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. Erade then builds a diversified portfolio of low-cost ETFs tailored to your needs. You can also choose socially responsible investing (SRI) portfolios aligning investments with your values. Automated rebalancing keeps your portfolio on track as markets change. Fees are competitive at 0.3% annually with a $500 minimum. ETF expense ratios are additional but low. This transparent structure shows exactly what you pay. Seamless integration with the Erade ecosystem lets you track your portfolio through a user-friendly dashboard with detailed insights. Link your core portfolios account with other Erade products for streamlined management. Erade Core Portfolios is ideal for investors valuing simplicity, transparency, and professional management without high fees. It's particularly appealing for those seeking the security of a trusted brokerage. A reliable, efficient choice for automated investing. Learn more and begin your investment journey using the links below.